Hello guys, now this is the real winter in Pennsylvania, Mount Poconos. Look at this. Oh my god, I just cleaned it a few minutes ago. Oh my lord. So our neighbor is so nice of him, very kind of him that he's actually cleaning our driveway a little bit. But I have cleaned this before already. I put the snow there. You can see a big pile here. Look at this. Oh, hello. Look at this. Yes. That's my neighbor. I want to say thank you to him because look what he did. He cleaned a little bit more. And look at this big mountain of snow. Oh, he left. Okay, I'll say thank you to him. But look at this. Look at this. Let's go into the cloud. Wow.